Today I'd like to talk about turning shoulders on small parts. Here are some examples of shouldered parts used in the machinist clamp kits. Here's a spacer pin, hinge pin, bearing pin, and threaded pin. These are all parts that you will create if you order machinist clamp kit. Here is a prototype of a clamp created from the kit. This is a prototype, still being refined, but very close. There's our hinge pin. You can see the reason for the shoulder. The smaller diameter rides on the outer plates. Here's a spacer pin. And here is the bearing and threaded pins. There's an example of where the shouldered parts are used. For our demo today, we will create one of the hinge pins. Let's have a look at the drawing. Okay, here's the drawing of the hinge pin. As you can see, the two shoulders are 0.315 inches long. Our stock is 3/4 inch diameter, and the reduced diameter here is 0.313. Today we want to focus on how to get this exact length, 0.315. We'll see how close we can get to 0.315 of an inch. 7.94 millimeters. First thing we'll do on the lathe is turn our stock to exact length, 1.167. One of the tools we'll be using today is the dial indicator with a magnetic back. You can place this on the ways of the lathe and measure the exact travel of the carriage. Let's go over to the lathe. I'll show you some more. Okay, here we are at the lathe. We have our magnetic back indicator on the ways. We have our carriage stop. Another important tool for our demo. What I'm going to do is just snug up the carriage stop. It's still able to move, but it's snug on the ways. So we're going to bring the cutting tool against the stock. We're going to slide in our dial indicator and zero it. I'm going to retract the tool and move the carriage our 0.315. 1, 2, 3, 1 past, 1, 5. So let's double check. Up against the end of the work. I'm showing less 1,000th. We'll recenter. 1, 2, 3, 14 I'm showing. Adjust the screw on the stop. There we have it, exact length. Let's reduce this diameter. Oh. What we will do is we're going to put a little shim in here. That will prevent us from going full length. Once we're down to the diameter we need, we'll remove that shim and clean up the face of the shoulder. We'll just clean the fuzzies off now. For the sake of our demonstration, we've reached the exact diameter we want. So now we can remove our shim and we'll go to full depth and be able to face the shoulder. Let's see how we did lengthwise. We were shooting for 0.315. Got my dinky calipers. Gotta like it. There you have it, exact depth of a shoulder. There we have it. 12L14 steel. Just a pleasure to work with. Excellent surface finish. The video makes it look much worse than it really is. Hope you found this useful. Like, comment, and subscribe. There's a link to the machinist clamp kits in the description. Thanks for watching.